हेलो चिल्ड्रन, हाउ आर यू? आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग वेल. सो बच्चों, मॉरल साइंस के लेसन्स हमें बहुत सा इंसाइट देते हैं इनटू व्हाट कैन हैपन इन लाइफ, व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट सिचुएशंस इन लाइफ, उनके साथ हमें कैसे डील करना है, कैसे हमें खुद को चेंज करना चाहिए. ओके, सो दैट we not only bring happiness and joy to others, okay, but we ourselves are happy and joyful and contented in life. All right, so children, now we are going to talk about a very important thing that happens in everybody's life. That is, okay, sometimes we have to give up on something because we want somebody else to be happy. So we are going to talk about sacrifice. Okay, so the power of sacrifice is what we are going to talk about. Okay, the greatest sacrifice is when you sacrifice your own happiness for the sake of someone else. जब हम अपनी खुशियों को sacrifice करते हैं for someone else, okay, that brings about a power, okay, of sacrifice. So let's get in the gear. Many people in history have given up a lot for important causes. Can you think of a famous person who made a big sacrifice? What did they give up and why was it important? So हमारे हिस्ट्री में ऐसे बहुत से लोग हैं जिन्होंने काफ़ी important causes के लिए and to bring about a change in the world and in our country, they have given up a lot. Okay, तो ऐसे किसी के बारे में आप बता सकते हो कि ऐसा कौन है who has given up a lot? Okay, I can talk about Gautam Buddha. Okay, he was born in a royal family and when he saw the pain and sufferings all around him, he gave his royal life and he started leading a very simple life, okay, to attain happiness and to bring about peace in the world. All right, so let's discuss these questions orally. What are some small ways we can show selflessness in our daily life? So ऐसी कौन सी छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं जो करके हम लोग we can show that we are so selfless. Okay, selfish is when you think only about yourself. Selfless is when you are doing things for others. So ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ें हैं जो आप selflessly कर सकते हो अपने daily life में? Do you think sacrifice is always about giving something material or about time and effort too? Or can it be? So आपके हिसाब से sacrifice क्या होता है? जब आप अपने materialistic चीज़ों को दे देते हो या sacrifice करते हो, या फिर आप अपना time भी देते हो, अपना effort देते हो for something. Alright. How can small acts of sacrifice make a big difference in someone's life? छोटे छोटे एक्ट्स जो होते हैं ना सैक्रिफाइस के, कैसे वो दूसरों के लाइफ में बदलाव ला सकते हैं. राइट, डू यू बिलीव दैट गिविंग टू अदर्स मेक्स यू फील लाइटर और हैप्पियर? वाई और वाई नॉट? ओके, जब आप अपने दोस्तों को, अपने लव्ड वंस को या फैमिली को, किसी न किसी को अपनी कोई अच्छी चीज़ दे देते हो, ओके, या फिर समथिंग यू नो दैट दे वांट एंड यू हैव, ओके, यू गिव इट to them, do you feel happy about it? Okay, do you give it willingly या फिर just because you're forced to give is what you think? So सोचो उसके बारे में. Alright, now let's talk about the magic of selflessness. In a quaint village surrounded by lush green fields, there stood a magnificent old tree known as the tree of sacrifice. It was said that this tree had magical powers and could grant wishes, but only if the wish maker made a sacrifice for the good of others. So एक quaint village में एक पेड़ होता है, बहुत बड़ा पेड़ होता है, जिसको बहुत पुराना पेड़ और बड़ा पेड़ होता है जिसका नाम होता है ट्री ऑफ सैक्रिफाइस. अब ऐसे कहा जाता है कि इस ट्री में मैजिकल पावर्स है, ओके, और वो आपके विशेस ग्रांट करता है ओनली इफ यू कैन sacrifice, if the wish maker sacrifices for the good of others, दूसरों की खुशियों के लिए कुछ sacrifice करते हैं. A girl named Aisha lived in the village. She was known for her kind heart and willingness to help anyone in need. One day while playing near the tree, she overheard a group of children talking about a severe drought that was affecting their crops. The villagers were worried about how they would feed their families in the coming months. So एक लड़की होती है जिसका नाम होता है आयशा, ओके, वो उस गांव में रहती है. अब शी वॉज़ वेरी नाइस एंड शी वॉज़ वेरी काइंड हार्टेड और वो हमेशा दूसरों की हेल्प करती थी. सो एक दिन जब वो पेड़ के पास खेल रही होती है तब वो एक ग्रुप ऑफ चिल्ड्रन जो होता है, बच्चों का ग्रुप होता है वहाँ पे, उनकी बातें सुन रही होती है। तो वो सुनती है कि यहाँ पे इस गांव में बहुत जल्दी सूखा पड़ने वाला है, ओके, इट इज गोइंग टू बी अ ड्रॉट सिचुएशन, ओके, और उसकी वजह से सारे जो क्रॉप्स है दे आर गोइंग टू गेट अफेक्टेड। अब विलेजर्स भी काफ़ी दे वर वरीड, ओके, कि कैसे होगा हमारा, कैसे होगा हमारी फैमिलीज़ का, कैसे होगा इफ़ देर इज़ दिस ड्रॉट सिचुएशन। सो आयशा फेल्ट अ स्ट्रॉन्ग अर्ज टू हेल्प हर विलेज. Remembering the tales about the tree, she decided to approach it. She thought about what she could sacrifice. After much contemplation, she realized that she would have to give up her beloved bicycle, which she cherished. अब आयशा को वैसे ही अच्छा लगता है दूसरों की हेल्प करने के लिए, सो नाउ शी वांटेड टू हेल्प हर विलेज. अब उसने उस ट्री के बारे में सुना था. सो नाउ शी स्टार्ट्स थिंकिंग ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है दैट आई कैन सैक्रिफाइस, ओके, फॉर माई विलेज, ओके. तो उसके दिमाग में आता है कि आई कैन सैक्रिफाइस माई बिलीव्ड बाइसिकल, ओके, जो जिससे मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार है. So she had saved for money, she had saved for months to buy that cycle, but she knew that her village needed water more than she needed a bike, okay. तो अब वो साइकिल के लिए उसने पैसे इकट्ठे किए थे, राइट, एंड उसने सोचा कि बट विलेजर्स को पानी की ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है, ओके, I don't need my bicycle much, so it's better that I buy water with the money that I've saved rather than buying a bicycle. With a heavy heart, Aisha tied a note to the tree, explaining her wish. I wish for rain to save our crops and help my village. I sacrificed my bicycle for this wish. She left the note at the base of the tree and walked away, feeling a mix of sadness and hope. अब आयशा क्या करती है, नोट लिखती है उस पर और ट्री के नीचे छोड़ देती है. उस नोट पे लिखती है कि आई विश कि यहाँ पे बारिश हो जाए ताकि हमारे क्रॉप्स जो है वो बच जाए और हमारा गांव भी बच जाएगा एंड वी कैन हेल्प द विलेज, ओके. सो आई हैव सैक्रिफाइस्ड माई बाइसिकल फॉर दिस विश. वो नोट छोड़ देती है, ओके, एंड she leaves from there. She's very sad also and she's happy also at the same time. As Aisha walked back home, she saw the villagers looking worried and anxious. Many were gathered in small groups, discussing how they would survive the drought. Their faces were filled with concern, and Aisha realized just how important her wish was for everyone. This thought strengthened her resolve to help, even if it meant giving up something she loved. Okay? अब आयशा जब वापस जा रही होती है तब वो देखती है कि विलेजर्स जो है काफ़ी दे वरीड, चिंता है उनको, एंड दे वरीड एंड दे आर गेटिंग एंशियस कि कैसे होगा हमारा. दे आर लाइक ग्रुप में गैदर हुए हैं, दे आर डिस्कसिंग कि कैसे हम इस ड्रॉट के इसमें से बाहर निकल सकते हैं इन दिस सिचुएशन. हाउ कैन वी come out of the situation, what can be done, okay. So आयशा को रियलाइज़ होता है कि उसकी जो विश है इट इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर एवरीवन. सो इसके लिए अगर और भी कुछ देना पड़ा तो आई एम रेडी टू डू दैट. सो द नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग आयशा woke up to the sound of raindrops tapping against the window. ओके, अब ये सोचने के बाद शी इज़ लाइक आई एम रेडी टू गिव एवरीथिंग अप वॉट एवर आई हैव फॉर माई विलेज. अब नेक्स्ट डे मॉर्निंग जब आयशा उठती है तो उसके कानों में आवाज़ पड़ती है रेन ड्रॉप्स की. सो शी रश्ड आउटसाइड एंड सॉ द एंटायर विलेज रिजॉइसिंग एज रेन poured down. The drought had ended and the field began to soak up in water. The villagers celebrated, grateful for the rain that would save their crop. ओके, सो अब वो बाहर जब देखती है झाँके तो सारे गाँव वाले डांस करें, इंजॉय करें, दे आर जस्ट सो हैप्पी दैट द ड्रॉट सिचुएशन इज गॉन एंड द रेन्स हैव कम, देयर क्रॉप्स आर सेव्ड, देयर विलेजेस सेव्ड, दे आर सेव्ड, ओके. एंड शी इज़ लाइक रियली ग्रेटफुल फॉर द rainfall, okay, to happen. Aisha felt a sense of fulfillment, knowing her sacrifice had made a difference. However, she also felt a void without her bicycle. So Aisha was really happy, okay, because her wish was fulfilled, okay. The villagers were happy and she was glad that she could make a difference, okay, for the villagers. So however, उसको थोड़ा सा तो sad लग ही रहा था that she had to give up her bicycle. So later that day, as she was helping her neighbors gather supplies, an elderly woman elderly man approached her. So बाद में जब वो हेल्प कर रही थी उसके नेबर्स को, तब वहाँ पे एक एल्डरली मैन आता है. सो ही हैड सीन हर डेडिकेशन एंड सैक्रिफाइस. तो उसने देखा था कि आयशा इज सो डेडिकेटेड, सो हेल्पफुल, एंड कैसे वो अपने विलेजर्स के लिए, अपने नेबर्स के लिए, सबके लिए कुछ ना कुछ करती रहती है. एंड शी इज़ इवन रेडी टू सैक्रिफाइस everything for what she has for her village and her villagers. So child, your selflessness has not gone unnoticed, he said with a warm smile. You have a kind spirit. As a token of gratitude, I want to gift you something. He handed her a beautifully crafted wooden bicycle, unlike anything she had seen before. So अब वो आदमी जो है वो उसको कहता है कि बेटा तुमने जो selflessly किया है, it has not gone unnoticed. हमें उस चीज़ के बारे में we've noticed that thing. And because of your kind spirit, as a token of gratitude, so we want to thank you for whatever you've done. So उसके लिए I want to gift you something. और वो उसको एक सुंदर सी beautifully crafted wooden bicycle gift करता है. which is so different from what Aisha has ever seen. Now this is a special bike made from the wood of the tree of sacrifice. It symbolizes your kindness and will serve you well. So उसको कहता है कि ये जो bicycle है, it is made from the wood of the tree of sacrifice, or it symbolizes kindness, and it will also serve you well. So whatever you want, it will fulfill your wish. Aisha's eyes widened with joy. She realized that her sacrifice had not only brought rain but had also rewarded her in an unexpected way. The wooden bicycle was not just a replacement, it was a symbol of her courage and compassion. So Aisha was very happy, with joy, and she was like, so glad कि उसके एक sacrifice की वजह से ना केवल गांव में बारिश हुई, but उसके साथ साथ उसको भी इनाम मिला, and that too when she did not expect it at all. अब ये wooden bicycle जो था वो replacement नहीं था, it was a symbol of courage and compassion. Alright, so from that day onwards, Aisha rode her new bicycle around the village, inspiring others to be selfless and kind. So Aisha उस दिन से वो अपनी bicycle लेके पूरे गांव में घूमती थी, and looking at her, it was like an inspiration for others, to be selfless and to be kind. The tree of sacrifice became a symbol of hope and generosity, reminding everyone that sometimes the greatest gifts come from what we are willing to give up for others. So जो tree of sacrifice था वो एक symbol बन गया था of hope, of generosity. Alright, it always reminded everyone कि जो सबसे बड़ा इनाम होता है वो तो तब मिलता है आपको जब आप willingly दूसरों के लिए give up करते हो या sacrifice करते हो. As time passed, more villagers began to make their own sacrifices for the well-being of others. They would bring food to those in need or help with farming tasks, all inspired by Aisha's actions. The village grew closer, united by the spirit of giving and compassion. The tree of sacrifice flourished, its branches heavy with leaves that shimmered in the sunlight, a sign of the love and unity that filled the village. So उस दिन से every village took inspiration from Aisha. उससे Aisha से inspiration लेके every villager अभी उनको वो tree of sacrifice का importance समझ में आया था. वो लोग भी दूसरों की help करने के लिए they were ready to sacrifice something that they loved. And that's the reason why जो villagers थे वो एक दूसरे के और करीब आ गए. They became united by the spirit of giving, by being compassionate. और ये tree of sacrifice जो है वो भी flourish करने लगा. उसके branches में सुंदर सुंदर leaves आने लगे. They were like shimmering in the sunlight. It showed, it was actually a sign of the love and unity, that was filled inside the village. So children, जब हम दूसरों के लिए कुछ sacrifice करते हैं ना, तो we never go unnoticed. We don't have to tell what we have done. But there is someone or the other. Maybe there is this God Almighty who is keeping an eye on you, and it will never go unnoticed. You will be rewarded in some way or the other. Because kindness is always rewarded. Alright, so Yes, but do not do anything in expectation of getting something. Then it becomes selfishness. Because you want something, okay, because you want attention, you're doing something, that means you're being selfish. When you don't think about what you're going to get, whether you get it, you don't get it, irrespective of that, okay, जब आप sacrifice करते हो, दूसरों की help करते हो, okay, that is when you get rewarded by God. Alright, so children, what's the key message? True sacrifice for the well-being of others can bring unexpected rewards and inspire kindness in the community. So जब हम true sacrifice करते हैं, okay, for the well-being of others, तभी हमें unexpected rewards भी मिलते हैं, and at the same time आप the community को भी inspire करते हो to be kind. When we put the needs of others before our own, we not only make a positive impact on their lives but also create a ripple effect of compassion and unity. So जब हम दूसरों की नीड्स के लिए अपनी खुद की चीज़ों को साइड में रखते हैं, अपने खुद के विशेस को साइड में रखते हैं, एंड वी प्रायोरिटाइज देयर नीड्स फर्स्ट, एंड वी वांट दैट देयर शुड बी अ पॉजिटिव चेंज, okay, that's when it results in compassion and unity. That shows that how compassionate you are and how kind you are. Acts of selflessness often lead to greater fulfillment and encourage others to follow the same path of generosity and empathy. So जब हम selflessly काम करते हैं, दूसरों की help करते हैं, then we are encouraging others also to follow the same path, okay, of being generous and of being empathetic. Alright, so children, now what are the things that you need to keep in mind? Sacrifice means giving up something important for the benefit of others. दूसरों की खुशियों के लिए अपनी चीज़ों को sacrifice करना या अपने wishes को sacrifice करना. Selflessness involves putting the needs of others before your own, okay? So selfless person is the person जो दूसरों के बारे में सोचता है, okay? ना कि अपने ज़रूरतों के बारे में सोचता है. Acts of sacrifice, they can be small, like sharing food, or big, like giving time and effort. So, इसमें act of sacrifice तो छोटी चीज़ें भी हो सकती है, जैसे कि आप खाना शेयर कर रहे हो या अपनी पेन पेंसिल्स सब शेयर कर रहे हो, या फिर it can be big, like, you know, you are giving time, okay, some of your valuable time to others, you're making an effort to help others. So, this can also be a method of sacrifice. Helping others even when it's like hard, okay, it's really hard, it brings a sense of happiness and fulfillment. जब हम दूसरों की help करते हैं, okay, तो कभी कभी situations difficult भी हो सकते हैं, okay, still when we in those difficult situations भी जब हम दूसरों की help करते हैं, okay, तब it brings a sense of happiness and also fulfillment. Selflessness builds strong relationships and trusts with others. जब हम selfless होते हैं तब हमारे relationships जो है वो भी strong बन जाते हैं, and at the same time दूसरे हमें trust करना रखते हैं, okay, we build a trust and bonding with them. Sacrifice isn't always material, it can also be time, support or care for someone in need. So sacrifice मतलब materialistic चीज़ नहीं है, okay, कुछ भी हो सकते हैं. It can be about time, it can be support, it can be care for others. Alright, so children, I'm sure that you're going to be selfless. You would understand that there is a lot of power in sacrifice. Alright, so children, be selfless, okay, and if need be, you should sacrifice your own things for the well-being of others. Alright, now quickly reread this chapter and get on to the quiz. Get going.